Welcome to the second lecture of soft computing. In the first lecture, I have discussed about the concept of soft computing and what are the goals of the soft computing. In second lecture, we will learn about what is hard computing and what's the difference between the hard computing and the soft computing. Hard Hard computing deals with the precise model where the solutions are accurate and can be achieved quickly. But the soft computing deals with the approximate model and it gives the solution of the complex problem. In hard computing, we have to give the data, we have to give the exact data, and then we find out the accurate answer. But in soft computing, we give uncertain data which are not fixed in nature, which are changing randomly. We feed this type of data to the computer and then the system calculates the answer which are not accurate but approximate in nature. Let's see the diagram. A hard computing uses a precise model and it can perform a symbolic logic reasoning as well as traditional numerical modeling and the search. But a soft computing uses a approximate model which perform a approximate reasoning and it deals with the functional approximation. So hard computing means it requires a exact data on which it will work and it provides you the precise output. But in soft computing, any type of data which are noisy data, which are not complete data, which are not fixed in nature, these all type of data can be fed to the computer and it will provide you the approximate result. For example, we have to do the weather prediction. If we have to perform the weather prediction, then every day the weather is changing and the data is not fixed in nature. So this can be computed using a soft computing technique. Now move to the next slide. Now we will see the difference between the hard computing and the soft computing. Hard computing uses two valued logic which are binary in nature. It means it will use the concept of 0 and 1. But soft computing uses a fuzzy logic. In the coming classes, I will clear the concept of the fuzzy logic. What is fuzzy and what type of value it holds. Hard computing deals with only exact data while soft computing deals with the noisy data. It gives you the exact answer is given by the hard computing, but approximate answer is given by soft computing. In hard computing, a program is required to be written by the programmer, but in soft computing, computer itself evolves its own program. Hard computing have high cost for the solution, but the soft computing have a low cost for the solution. So these are some major differences between the hard computing and the soft computing. Now, what are the basic components of the soft computing through which we can deals with the uncertain, imprecise, partial data? The constituents of soft computing are fuzzy logic, artificial neural network, and genetic algorithm. These are the basic components of soft computing through which we can find a solution for the uncertain, imprecise, and the partial truth value problem. Now let's have a look about what is fuzzy logic what is neural network, and what is a genetic algorithm. Basically, neural network is used for learning and adaptation. It is based on the human brain. As how the human brain works, the same concept is used in the neural network. Human beings have the capability to learn from its experiences. It has the ability to do reasoning. These things can be done by the neural network. Now next, move to the fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic means the value is vague. Earlier we have learned the concept of the binary, which are only 0 and 1. But fuzzy means the value which lies between 0 and 1. I will make the difference clear. Binary means only two value, that is 0 and 1. But fuzzy means the value which lies between 0 and 1 are said to be a fuzzy value. And genetic algorithms mainly based on the evolutionary computation. Its concept is that the best genes should stay in the world. So in the coming lectures, these all things will be covered in detail one by one. Hope you have enjoyed today's learning. Thank you.